Superbam. I'm an old superhero who's developed a few flaws. I can't wear a costume anymore, 'cause I'm old saggy boys. I used to shoot laser beams and melt things from my eyes. They've lost a bit of power, but I can still heat up my pies. I've gied up flying too, I've just got a bit too fat. It's no a good luck stoating off a grun when I'm leaping out your flat. I've still got superhero strength though I'm slowly falling apart. I can still knock cunts out though with a superhero fart. And that's how I defeated the Hulk in a fight he fucking started. He was smashing as if there was in the flare, right up until the time I sharted. Also had a run in with the Batman. I told me wasn't he a superhero. Can he take a joke at that cunt? Personality fucking zero. He's a billionaire fucking playboy, a do-gooder cunt with gadgets. He took the nip in a shat in his boots. The guy's a fucking tadger. I could have had a wee shag at Wonder Woman, but Swally acted the prick. If there'd been all romantic and all, I blew her away doing the helicopter dick. It's not been all bad though. I have made some superhero mates. Deadpool's quite a funny cunt, and drinking with Aquaman gets you in some states. I've bored you all enough with my exploits, and I'll end the anecdotes for now. Like all good superhero stories, I'll be back with a Superbam 2. Superbam.